Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're talking about credit repair and specifically myEcon and their credit repair software and how it is the best credit repair software to help you improve your credit score. So if you don't have at least a 750 or above credit score or a credit score like mine in the 800s, then you need to watch this video all the way through. We all know that credit is king, my friend. So if you're looking to buy a house, refinance, get a car loan, whatever it is, having a good credit score is crucial to you and really just how much money you pay and how much money you can save by having a good credit score. So I want to show you not only the myEcon credit repair system, but I specifically want to show you the smoking gun, the lightning in a bottle that's going to ensure that you have negative items removed off of your credit report so you can improve your credit score. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips just for watching to greatly improve your credit score. So when you combine myEcon, their credit repair software, and these 3 tips at the end of this video, you're going to be able to start improving your credit and get your credit, whether it be from poor to fair, fair to good, or even good to great, like it did for me. Watch this video all the way through, pay attention, and let's get you started. Now, let's get one thing really clear. You are the best person to manage and fix your credit. You do not have to pay someone hundreds or even thousands of dollars to fix your credit. I've seen programs as high as $1,500 for someone to go in and repair your credit. And then you got to give them your social security number, all of your personal information, access to everything, basically your entire life. And you're paying lots of money to do that. You don't need to do that. You can literally fix your credit today for $20. Yeah, that's how much the myEcon membership is to get started. Link in the description down below. Now, there's 3 different levels. When you click the link below, all of that will be explained in there so you can see which membership level is the best for you. But understand, you're the only one that really wants this and needs this to happen. So you are the best person to do this because you're going to take ownership of it. And when you do it yourself, you're going to see how simple it really is. So let me walk you through the process right here and let me show you what is going to be the smoking gun, that lightning in a bottle that's going to help you repair your credit. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So pay close attention. So once you get into the myEcon system, now there's a lot of other products and services in here that are going to help you out. And that's exactly what myEcon does. It helps you increase your finances through strategies. And if you want to do the business building, you certainly can. But here's the thing that most people don't know. You can literally net hundreds of extra dollars per month in your paycheck using the myEcon services. You can make money with myEcon without even promoting the business. That's the power of this business and the power of the strategies that they teach. So let's dive into the credit repair, which is right here. As soon as you opt into your members area, you're going to see it right here. Okay. You're going to tap into the credit repair software. Okay. And like every product and service that myEcon offers, there's an overview video that walks you through everything. Okay. And then it's really just step by step. You're going to pull your credit, and the video explains exactly how to do that. And you can see this. I mean, this is a little 2-minute video. You don't need these big, long, drawn out, processes that are overcomplicated because it's really not. It's really very, very simple. And that's why you are the best person to do this. And you don't need to pay a person or an agency to go out and fix your credit for you. Okay. So now once you go through that, then you're going to freeze the secondary bureaus. Again, if you don't know what that is, you're going to watch this video. It's going to explain all that and make sure that there's no other hard pulls on your credit. Your credit score isn't going down because of all these people pulling your credit score. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start checking for errors. You're going to start looking for those negative items that you want to pull off of your credit score. Okay. And then you're going to start identifying those. You're going to record those. You're going to write those down. There's even, it walks you through it in the video. Again, the video is a little over 3 minutes. It explains all that. Then you're going to start the dispute process. And right here is where that lightning in a bottle is. This is what's going to help you. This is what helped me. This is what can help you too. Okay, so I want to show you this right here. Now, obviously the video, 6 minutes long, it explains how all of this works, what you're going to start doing. There are some things that you could do for letter writing, which is down here. That's a very common dispute process. but I want to show you this one right here because this one here is your lightning in a bottle. Okay. You can have our system, and this is what's really important about myEcon, okay? You can have the myEcon system create the dispute letter for you so you don't have to worry about it. And you don't have to worry about figuring all that stuff. This is an automated process that's going to allow you to do this. So check this out. Once you click on here, okay, you're going to create your account really quick, okay? And then what you're going to do is you are going to fill all this information out. Okay. So it's automatically going to have, your name and address and everything from the account that you just created. And then you're going to go through the process. You can select the different types of dispute letters you want. And again, the video walks you through exactly how to do this. But it's really simple. You can select the credit bureaus that you want to send it to. You could do one, two, or all three of them. You're going to select the account. So as an example, if you had Bank of America, Discover, Capital One, whatever it is, you're going to put that. You're going to put your account number, and then you're going to fill out the rest of the information. And here's where it gets really, really cool. When you get down to the bottom, you can certainly open this up. You can add more accounts if you want to, but I want you to pay close attention to this little nugget right here, okay? Include notary language at the bottom of the letter to have the document notarized before mailing in. So this is your opportunity to not only dispute negative items on your credit report, but you can also have the document notarized, which I would highly suggest that you do, because when the credit bureaus see a document that is notarized, that makes it even more serious for the credit bureau. Okay. So now this is an official notarized document. So for me, as an example, here in the neighborhood that I live in, there's several people in my neighborhood that are notaries. I'm sure if you have people that are local to you, or I'm sure you could, reach out to some friends and family. I'm sure you know someone or they know someone who is a notary. And I would strongly encourage and recommend that you get your documents notarized. So that way, when you do mail it into the credit bureaus, they're going to take it even more serious. And most likely, those negative items are going to come off of your credit report. So, my friends, trust me when I tell you this is a trusted, tried, and true process. And if it worked for me, and if it's working for thousands of people that are using the myEcon credit repair, it can be working for you too. Okay, as promised in the beginning of this video, 3 things that you could be doing to improve your credit score, okay? Number 1, always pay your credit card bills off 7 to 10 days before they are due, okay? Do not wait till the last minute. Don't wait till the last day. Try to get in the habit of paying this almost as soon as your billing cycle is done and that bill becomes available. You want to pay it right then. But on average, try to do this about 7 to 10 days beforehand. Number 2, never spend more than 25-30% max of your overall open to spend limit. So meaning if you have a $10,000 credit card, meaning you can spend up to $10,000 on one specific credit card, in any billing cycle, you don't want to keep your balance higher than, say, $2,500 to $3,000. Now, of course, try to do this on average. Occasionally, are you going to go over? Yeah, I have a credit card that has a $45,000 spending limit. Does that mean I'm going to go out and spend all $45,000? No. You want to keep that to about 25 to 30% of your total spending limit. This is going to keep your open to buy ratio high and show the credit bureaus that you are managing your credit properly. Now, number 3, this one's really important. We're saving the best for last. Try to pay your balance off in full at the end of every month. Try not to carry a balance over month. Now, I know this might be difficult for some depending on your situation in life and what you have going on, but do your very best to pay your balance off in full. So as an example, if you do have a $10,000 open to buy credit card and you spend $2,000 in one specific month, at the end of the month, pay that $2,000 off. Every single month, you're paying your full balance off. So this way, you don't have to worry about what the APR is. You can literally pay that balance off and you never pay additional fees. And those don't build up and making you pay even more money than you actually need to. So it's all about managing your spending responsibly. So I hope that makes sense. And of course, you got to have some leeway with yourself here. This isn't a perfect process, but those are the 3 things that you want to get really good at, okay? Pay your credit card bill off 7 to 10 days before it's due. Never spend more than 25 to 30% of your open to buy limit. And 3, pay your balance off in full at the end of every month. So now the real question is, do you want to repair your credit? Do you want to have a great credit score? Credit is king, my friend. And trust me from experience, it's a really easy and simple process to do. It just takes a little bit of time and patience on your end. But I can assure you that if you go through this process, you will most likely see results. I can't guarantee you results, but literally for thousands of people that are going through this process, the feedback has been absolutely overwhelming because this is a proven process. And yes, you could literally be doing this yourself and get started today, right now, for less than $20. You don't have to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to fix your credit. You are the best person for that. So hit the link in the description down below. If you have any questions, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. You could reach out and literally ask me anything. Get started, fix your credit today, my friend. I hope to see you on the inside in just a few minutes.